Hi everyone, so today we're going to look at a system of equations and solving a system of linear equations by graphing. This is the definition of a system of equations. So basically when you have two or more equations using the same variables, we call that a system of equations. The solution to the system is the point that satisfies all of the equations. This point will be an order pair. So if we have this graph and I want to know what will be the solution, so looks like the line they intersect at the point 1 and 2. Therefore the solution of this graph will be the order pair 1 and 2. So let's look at a couple examples. The first example is we have to solve the system of equation by graphing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take each equation and I'm going to put it in a slope-intercept form, and then I'm going to graph it. So if I take the first equation, x plus y is equal to 5, I'm going to solve for y because I want to put it in the form y is equal to mx plus b. So we subtract x from both sides. If we do that, we're going to end up with y is equal to 5 minus x, which is the same thing as y is equal to negative x plus 5. So the slope will be negative 1. I'm going to put it as negative 1 over 1. So I'm going to go down 1 unit. Down 1 and write 1. And then I'm going to take the second equation. So I have 2x minus y is equal to 4. We're going to subtract 2x from both sides. We have negative y is equal to 4 minus 2x. I'm going to divide by negative 1 because we have a negative 1 here which you don't see it. So I have y is equal to negative 4 plus 2x. I'm going to swap this around, so I have y is equal to 2x minus 4. So the slope will be 2 over 1. And the y-intercept is going to be negative 4. Going back to this right here, the y-intercept is going to be 5. So b is equal to 5. So I'm going to graph this. And this is how the graph looks like. So we have a y-intercept of 5. Okay, so that's what you do. You start with the y-intercept and then you go down 1 and 1 over. And then you have another point, and you can go down 1 and 1 over, and so on. For this equation here, we have y is equal to 2x minus 4, so the slope is 2 over 1, y-intercept is negative 4. So this is my y-intercept, negative 4 over here. And I'm going to go up 2 units and 1 over. Up 2 and 1 over. can go up 2 and 1 over and find more points. And looks like these two lines, they intersect at the point 3 and 2. So the solution to this system is going to be 3, comma 2. Remember, this is a order pair, so this is my x and this is my y. Let's try another one. So we have to solve this system of equation by graphing. So we got negative x plus 3y is equal to 6. So let's solve for y. We're going to add x to both sides. Three y is equal to 6 plus x. We're going to divide this by 3. So this was going to give us y is equal to 2 plus x over 3. We're going to stitch this around, so we have y is equal to x over 3 plus 2. Now here we have a 1, so the slope will be 1 over 3. And the y-intercept is going to be 2. Now we're going to take this equation, the second equation, and put it in slope-intercept form. So I have 2x plus y is equal to negative 5. We're going to solve for y, we subtract 2x. So we're going to end up with y is equal to negative 5 minus 2x. I'm going to swap this right here, so I'm going to put negative 2x first, minus 5, because I want it in slope-intercept form. So the slope is going to be negative 2 over 1, and the y-intercept is going to be negative 5. If I plot these two equations, the graph will look like this. So right here, this is so y-intercept is 2. I'm going to go up 1 and 3 over. So this is the graph of negative x plus 3y is equal to 6. For the second equation, we have y-intercept of negative 5. So I'm going to go down 2 and 1 over. And there you have the graph. And it looks like the solution for this system of equation will be negative 3 and 1, because that's the point where the two lines intersect.